What is SEO? Search engine optimization is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search results. In order to optimize your SEO, you need to know what issues exist so they can be fixed. Today's video is to describe what you will receive if you purchase an SEO audit and consultation. We offer an extensive SEO audit of your website where we perform a thorough technical analysis of every element that may hinder your website's visibility in search engines. We'll review your website on Google with professional tools and send you a detailed SEO report. If you did this research yourself, it would take months to gather the data or hours of using paid subscription analysis tools. The report includes a 30-minute consultation where your questions about audit items can be answered. We could discuss what it takes to fix the errors found. SERP Overview. Keywords, subdomains, keyword position distribution, visibility trend, keywords trend, highest visibility pages, organic competitors, and backlink overview are the items included in the SERP Overview. In the SEO site checkup, it's going to have an analysis on meta tag titles and descriptions, the Google search results preview, the most common keyword test results, the keyword usage test results, the heading tags test results, the robots.txt test results, sitemap test, broken links test, SEO friendly URL test, image alt tag test, inline CSS test, depreciated HTML tags test, Google Analytics test, favicon test, JavaScript error test, social media checkup, HTML page size test, HTML compression and gzip test, site loading speed test, page objects analysis, a flash test, image caching test, JavaScript minification test, CSS minification test, nested tables test, frame set test, doc type test, URL redirects check, URL canonicalization test, HTTPS test, no follow check, disallow directive check, safe browsing test, server signature test, directory browsing test, plain text emails test, media query responsive test, mobile snapshot, microdata schema test, no index check, canonical tag checker, and SPF records check. SEO isn't self-explanatory. That's why we've bundled the SEO audit with a consultation to answer any questions you have about the errors found in the analysis. We're going to provide some reports in spreadsheets. They're easy to manipulate, and you're able to see all the errors that you need to fix. These spreadsheets will be a sponsored products keyword report, an SEO competitors report, a report of which pages have the title tag missing or empty, a report of URLs that have multiple H1 tags, a report of all the issues found, a report with images that are missing the alt tags, and a report about duplicate content in the H1 and title tags. If you have any questions, you could let us know before you make your purchase, but if not, we're ready to service you and give you a report and talk about what it'll take to fix the items on your report. Thank you and have a great day.